Here's another amazing parasitology resource, which is called Parasites Without Borders. And it especially resonates with me because I teach a class called Microbes Without Borders. So Parasites Without Borders has the same idea of informing the public about all the different parasites, global implications, and many, many other topics. So this is, again, a fantastic site. It is hosted by fantastic microbiologists, Daniel Griffiths, Dickinson Despommier, Charles Knirsch, Vincent Raciniello, and Peter Hertz. And you may have heard of some of those from the news, especially Peter Hertz, who was big on the news during COVID as well. So fantastic experts, world-renowned experts who put this site together. The resources, they have free, everything again is free on this website. They have free books, they have lectures about every single parasite, they have a curriculum, so you can actually do enhanced education in tropical medicine. They have a podcast, the certification exams, you can study for them. Again, this will greatly help you to pass the ASCP. And then they have a couple of other resources, especially for diagnosis and treatment, which diagnosis is obviously the part what we are interested about for clinical laboratory microbiologists. And then you have about everything about the key infections, podcasts, and then other resources as well. What I really like is the lectures, and they have really thorough lectures. The first part is usually about the disease itself, and then the second part is clinical applications and case studies. So it talks about, some of the history as well, and really goes through all the different parasites. And it's organized very similar to what we have. We have the protozoans first, and then the other ones. So again, if you want a little bit more in-depth information from these experts, I highly recommend you to go to this website. I listen to them often, sometimes in the car, or just to brush up on some of the information. But they're really fabulously fabulous lectures as well. So again, let's look at the pinworm, for example. YouTube.
A sharp ending little portion. Welcome to parasitic disease. The common thing is discussing pinworm. That's the part that they named this worm after, not knowing which end was which to begin with.
They're really
contains muscle,
details,
contains a cuticle, which is very simple design, elegant.
And then again, the second part is about case studies and so on.
Amoate in a single dose, or albendazole or mebendazole. Again, expensive in the United States.
So again, I think it's one of the best resources for parasites. And again, you can do training, you can do certifications with that as well. So, and again, sign up for weekly updates. It is a great site.